Hello there, I'm Sanchez, your global real estate advisor here in Miami, and I am so excited to share with you this brand new pre-construction project here in Coral Gables. Introducing Cassia, the first and only short-term rental building in the Gables. Located in the Merrick Park District, this new zoned neighborhood allows for short-term rental flexibility, making this project a unique investment opportunity from others alike in Miami. Currently, hotel occupancy rates in the area are about 88.2%. This area also has seen a 3.7% increase in revenue per room year over year and an 11.6% average rent growth since 2021, reflecting the area's growing economic appeal. Cassia will offer 174 fully furnished turnkey residencies ranging from 1 to 3 bedrooms, all graciously appointed with restoration hardware furnishings and finishes for quality design. Units will boast 9 to 12-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, high-impact glass, serene terraces, Bosch appliances, and secure owner closets. Owners will be able to use their residence for personal enjoyment or offer friends and family a place to stay or rent it while the space is not being utilized. There will also be flexibility in converting the 3-bedroom units into a 2-bedroom plus a studio unit, allowing the owners for the option to occupy their space while simultaneously renting it out. Best of all, Cassia will offer an in-house property management company to its owners for a seamless end-user experience. Cassia's amenities will include a resort-inspired pool deck offering cabanas, day beds, summer kitchens, barbecue stations, and lounging nooks. The fully equipped state-of-the-art fitness center will provide on-demand fitness technology and a yoga bar studio. The wellness spa will be a treat with a steam room, dry sauna, and massage rooms. There will also be an executive business center with co-working spaces and Zoom offices. Centrally located within the city of Coral Gables, Cassia is within 20-minute car ride from the Miami Airport, downtown Miami, and Coconut Grove. This makes it a convenient location for business executives, diplomats, and/or tourists looking for a place to stay while they visit the area. Cassia is an investment opportunity you won't want to miss. Contact me today to learn more about this new amazing development here in the Gables.